Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the new driver grip fits the shaft taper. This matters for control and feel. Once done, clamp the club gently in a vise with a soft jaw to avoid damage. Cut the old grip lengthwise with a hook blade and peel it off. Make sure to remove all old tape and adhesive residue. You'll need a clean, dry shaft. If debris remains, use fine sandpaper lightly. This sets the foundation so the new grip slides on evenly without twisting. You now align the grip. Mark a reference line on the shaft that matches the desired face alignment. Next, wrap double-sided tape from the shaft butt down to the length of the new grip. Smooth it to avoid bubbles and overlap no more than 1/4 inch. Peel the tape backing and apply a liberal but controlled coat of solvent over the tape. Make sure solvent wets the tape completely but does not pool. Once soaked for about 15 to 30 seconds, you're ready to slide the grip on. You must work quickly. Slide the new grip onto the shaft in one smooth motion while keeping that reference line aligned with the club face. Make small rotational adjustments immediately. Once the solvent begins to bond, alignment becomes difficult. Hold the grip steady for a minute, then set the club upright to cure for 4 to 6 hours undisturbed. If the grip slips or rotates later, remove it, clean the shaft, replace tape ensuring proper overlap, and repeat. Insufficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.